Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for clicking on today's video. I am so excited for today's video because I have rounded up my favorite Sephora products. Sephora just has so many different brands and products, so I just thought right before Black Friday, how great would it be to round up my favorites, my must-haves. So I've rounded up products that I've repurchased from Sephora, new products that I've purchased from Sephora. So if you're interested in seeing all of these great things, then please keep watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe down below. I make new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter because I'm more active over there. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started. I'm also going to be using most of these products in action real time as we're talking through them. So let's start off with skincare all the way down to makeup. So the first product that I use is the Kate Somerville ExfoliKate Cleanser. Now I'm gonna link down below my skincare video because some of the skincare products I did talk about in that video and I used them to show you. Definitely a must-try product from Sephora if you want to try a new cleanser. After I've gone in with toner, then I'll go in with a serum. I've been using a vitamin C serum. I like to switch out my serums so that my skin constantly gets different types of products. I just got this in the Caudalie Paris, the Blemish Control Infusion Serum. The only reason why I'm mentioning this is also because it's a new product that I'm trying, but it was recommended to me from the Sephora quiz that I took on the app. So far, I can't give you like a special review about it, that it's working so well for my skin, but my first impression of this product is that I love the consistency. It's a very light, wet consistency, so it's not super oily or thick, which is amazing for my skin, especially because I already have such oily skin. But I will keep you guys posted about this product on my Instagram. If you want a full in-depth video about my skincare again, then just let me know in the comments down below. I'll be sure to mention this one. Once I've gone in with serum, I do like to just spray my face really quick to refresh it with the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I use this before and after makeup. I love this product. I mean, you guys, this product is so expensive and I would be pretty disappointed if I didn't love it because it's so expensive. I got this as a birthday gift, but I will definitely be repurchasing this, especially with the discounts that Sephora is giving out for VIB and for the holidays. So I definitely recommend this. After makeup, when you set with powders, this product just, I don't know what's in it, but it melts the powder and just makes your skin look so smooth and just finishes off your base makeup so perfectly. So I definitely love this product, highly recommend it, gonna repurchase. Definitely a must-have. It wouldn't be a Sephora must-have if I didn't mention my Summer Fridays jet lag mask and my overtime mask. So these two paired, I have talked about it before, but they are just a dream when they're paired together. Exfoliate first with the overtime mask and then go in with the jet lag after. Your skin looks so plump and glowy. I love both of these products. I don't know if I'm going to repurchase this one just yet, but I've repurchased this one a couple of times. So this after this bottle, it'll be my third time to repurchase. I love this product, especially if you like a thick, balmy consistency for your moisturizers or your overnight creams. This I use as a primer, I use as an under eye treatment, I use all over my skin, I use it down my neck, I use it at night, I use it in the morning. Literally, I use this from AM to PM, like one of my go-to products. I'm using it today as a primer for my makeup. After I have moisturized and SPF'd my face, I go in with my Drunk Elephant De-Bronzi Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops. I've been watching Lydia Elise Millen on YouTube for a while, and she uses the By Terry CC Serum in Sunny Flash. And I felt like this product was really similar to what that product does. You just use a couple of drops and it just instantly makes your skin look very glowy and dewy and healthy and bronzed. I like using this in place of foundation on my Saturday mornings or when I'm going to the gym and I don't want foundation on my skin. And this is a really good intro product to the entire brand. So I'm really excited to try the rest of the brand and its products. And in the winter months when we're not getting as much sun, this just gives you a really healthy bronzy glow underneath all your makeup. So I don't think I need to ramble on about this product. I think you can see what it does under my makeup. So the last thing in my skincare favorites and must-haves from Sephora is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. You guys have probably seen this from other YouTubers, other Instagrammers, and bloggers talking about this product. It is truly a must-have for me. This product is perfectly balanced of balminess and oiliness. It smells so good. You get so much product in this little tub that I honestly don't think I'll need another one for a while, which is one of my favorites. It also comes with a spatula that I think I just lost somewhere. So that's also a plus if you like applying it with like a silicone spatula. My lips tend to crack and get dry right before I get sick and when I get the flu or cold. So that's why I love having something like this to really hydrate and plump my lips up. But today I'm also using it as a regular lip balm before my makeup so that my lips are really ready for any lip products that I'm going to use after I finished the rest of my makeup. Now let's move on to all things Sephora makeup, everything that I've recently purchased and been loving from Sephora. The first thing is obviously a beauty blender. I don't even want to talk super long about this, but you guys know that a beauty blender is a must-have if you are shopping at Sephora. I personally love the black one. I don't know why, but I've tried the pink and it sheds a lot. The black one doesn't for me. My two top favorite foundations from Sephora is the Nars Sheer Glow and the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I like a super dewy, skin-like luminous look. The Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation just does that for me. I am in the shade number 6. I'm also in the shade Barcelona in the Nars Sheer Glow Foundation. So I'm very, very happy with this product. It's like a medium to full coverage, definitely buildable. So if you want to try a more high-end foundation, highly recommend this one. It is a little bit pricier, but definitely worth your money. Once I finish my foundation, the next thing I'll do is concealer. My favorite from Sephora is the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Custard. I think everyone and their mom uses this product. Not gonna talk too long about it, but love the thin, small applicator compared to the Shape Tape, which is huge. It's so blendable and it's not as concealer looking as some other concealers I've used in the past. So a very well-loved product from me and definitely a Sephora must-have. Let's talk about the next product. Once I've set my under eye with powder, I always go over my skin with the Hourglass Ambient Lighting, Ambient Lighting. Wow, that was really hard. I really didn't understand the wonders of this product. I don't just use it for my cheek area. I really put this all over my skin. I find that it makes your foundation and your skin complexion just look a lot more kind of more dimension, more glowy. It definitely has a radiance to it, but I highly recommend trying this product out if you're trying out Hourglass for the first time. This is a great introduction product as well. In the mail, I got my little baby Luminous Bronze Lighting bronzer from Hourglass. This is the baby size and I just wanted to try this out. I'm really happy with the way it looks. Actually, I use this on my eyelids and it is stunning. Like, my first impression of this product is, yes, purchase the little guy. I think this is gonna last me for a while. In the crease, this product is so beautiful. Great transition shade. I'm so sorry, you guys. I just got a package in the mail. That's why my dog kept barking. From Majorie. Aw, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, look at this tote bag. That is really cute. It says the Fine Crew. I love that. That's really cute. Let's continue on with the video. I remember saying that my two favorite bronzers from Sephora is my Nars Laguna bronzer and my Marc Jacobs, what is this? Tantric Omega bronzer. Love this product because it comes with so much. I've used this every single day and I don't see a dip in the pan, which is crazy. I am having so many problems today while I'm filming. It's one of those days where my battery dies and my camera's full and it's just a mess. So the next Sephora must-have item for me is the Tarte Chrome Paint Shadow Pot in the shade Park Avenue Princess. This is amazing. I was thinking, should I talk about a palette for my must-haves video, but there wasn't really a palette from Sephora that I felt like you needed to have. I typically use a bronzer in my crease for transition, and then I use this product on my lids, and it is incredible. The amount of pigmentation you get on your lids, it's stunning. Like, the gold fits my skin color really well, and I'm just really happy with this. Toni Sevdalis talked about this product, and that's why I got it, so creds to her because she finds the gems from Sephora. So once I've done my eyeshadow, literally I only use two products for the most part, a transition shade and that eyelid color. I use a Korean waterproof eyeliner, which I will leave a link down below if you guys are interested in that one. I haven't found one that I really am in love with from Sephora. Still haven't found a Sephora must-have of mascara. I'll leave my lash routine video down below because I'm doing the exact same lash routine in that video as I'm doing here. My Sephora must-have for brows is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in dark brown. I do think this shade is a little too dark for me. I don't do this dark of eyebrows anymore. This isn't my favorite brow product in the entire world, but for what's in Sephora, I do love this product here because it's just easy to really like carve out your brows. I'm a lip junkie. I love beigey nude lips. I love lip gloss. I love liner. I love all things like lip products. Every single lip product I'm talking about is a goodie, okay? I'm not gonna say you have to have it, but if you don't, you're definitely missing out. My two favorite lip liners from Sephora, hands down, is the Marc Jacobs lip liners. These are the Pro Longwear, what is this? The Pout Liner Longwear lip pencils. This one is in Oak Cocoa, the darker one that I use to shade around the edges of my lips. And the Nudeist is the one that I use to fill my lips in and kind of accentuate my lips. The Nudeist shade is always sold out, so definitely try to get them online and stock up because they're amazing and they're retractable, so you don't have to sharpen anything. Once I have done my lip liner, I go in with one of my favorite liquid lipsticks from Huda Beauty. This is the Liquid Matte Lipstick in Venus. It's the perfect canvas for any lip gloss that's lighter or anything that's darker. So once I have used this liquid matte lipstick, I then go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Nude Kate lipstick. Now, I just got it today, but while it was on its way to my house, because I ordered this online, I tried it in other stores before while I ordered this online. I would never wear this shade on its own. It's definitely too light. It's really skin tone-like. It's like concealer pretty much, but I did hear a story that Charlotte Tilbury created this lipstick because when she was working backstage, she was always mixing concealers to try to lighten up the center of the lip. And then she just came out with a lipstick that was the shade of all the concealer she was mixing because it was the perfect topper to really get that beigey kind of nude tone lip. So I'm highly in love with this product. It is an expensive lipstick, I will say. It's my second Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. And then the last three lip glosses that I want to talk about from Sephora that I think everyone needs to have is the Aha Honey Enamored Lip Shine. I think this, I don't really know what this is called. Oh, Hydrating Lip Gloss Stick from Marc Jacobs. Now, this is kind of a strange product. It's not really lip gloss. It's like a shine. It's just, it feels like lip balm that has little bits of shimmer in it, I guess. So I wouldn't say it's like a full-on gloss, but if you want gloss, my tried and true Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm and my Diamond Milk. These are my favorite lip glosses from Sephora. I just feel like they're versatile. They go with every single lip combo I've ever done. This one on its own is amazing. This one I don't wear on its own because my lips look a little bit whitish. But I do like topping it off in the center and just dabbing it around the sides. Two of my favorite. This tastes really good too, so that's a plus. And then the last thing is my Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. I did use this for my hair today. I'm on second day hair, I believe, and I just really love this product because it gives my hair that extra volume and it doesn't leave it feeling like kind of crusty and pasty. This one just makes me feel like I just washed my hair. So I do like the way it smells, like the way it feels. So those are all of my Sephora must-haves. I know I talked about a ton of products. I'm not saying at all that you need to purchase any of these. I want to be a resource to you guys so that if you do walk into Sephora, at least you have some things you can eye and try and then make the decision for yourself. So if you enjoyed this video or you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, again, please subscribe down below to my channel. Hit that bell notification button so that you get notified every single time I upload. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any suggestions for me or any comments or questions, then leave them down below as well. But I will talk to you guys all in my Wednesday's video. Bye!